Hello, today I have a job. This is the visible zip. You can see this is display outside and inside. It's very well made by the material to bind the zip and the thread together. So in this case, if you change the new zip, it's a little bit hard. So I think I tried a way to change the slider only because the zip look very good. Nothing wrong with the teeth. And the problem because the customer pulled this one down too much, so she broke one teeth here, and then the lock is came off, and she could not find the lock, the slider. So now I will check what I have. I have many zip here, and now I compare the teeth. For example, this one the same type of metal zip, but if I compare like this one bigger, so I don't use this one. I think this is nearly the same, but this one a little bit smaller, so I think I prefer to do this one. And then yeah, I see, you can see that. So now I want to take the slider to put it to the dress. So I took this one off, and then to see if the slider fit this one. Okay, I take this one off now, and if not, I can reuse this one again. But I think it's look good, so I unpick this one already. And now I take the slider off. If you want to reuse that, you just put this back in like this, and then yeah, and then lock this end. So I will do this. So now I try to do this. Okay, this one right side, so I have to turn it wrong side. Yeah, I prefer the white KK zip, but I don't have that zip here. Okay, I put here. Yeah, okay, and I see that the teeth both sides is together already. So now I try to pull it. Yeah. And now I check it to see if it's good. Yeah. Okay. I lock this one. I lock this. This is locked, and then I open it, and then it stay. It means this lock fit this one, and if you put the slider this way, it means you unlock it, and then when you wear it, it automatic down, so you lock it and then you can't open it. In this case, I prefer you have hook and eyes here to hold it. So that's all. And now, okay, at the bottom, you need to lock it this one very well to prevent in the future the slider can't go back to that hole again. So now I try the way to lock it. You can do whatever way that make this part look nice. So I prefer to lock it from here. Yeah, I put like this. and then okay, I would do decorate a little bit, so I do like um, buttonhole way, and then from left right to left, and then right to left. Yeah, a little bit here, and then I go to the wrong side, and then at the end here it open, so I lock this one very well to put them together very well. Okay. Okay, now I lock it. Okay, that is all for today. So if you have any slider still in good condition and the teeth broken, if the teeth are broken, we can't do this way. So we have to change the new zipper. So thank you very much for your watching. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you.